Hear the sound of revival deep in the heart of your people. Send it now. We want it now. I hear the sound of revival deep in the heart of your people. Send it now. We want it now. Release your glory, send your glory. We're hungry, we're thirsty for you. We want more. We're patiently waiting for you. We need you. We will wait for you. That's what we want to do. We will wait for you. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful lake. I call it the Shekinah Glory Lake, Heavenly Father. Let your aroma surround your Hebrew prodigal son on this beautiful Independence Day. Let your glory cloud in the daytime, pillar of fire at nighttime surround me. I'm out here at the Shekinah Glory Lake, and the pelicans, the birds, they are out here praising the self-existent one. Let every creature that has breath praise your awesome, set-apart name. Yahuwah University